In this video, let's take a look at how to do rebalancing under equity baskets. Under Equity Dashboard, once you select a basket from the drop-down, you can view the rebalancing date. Initially for a basket, 3 months default rebalancing period will be shown. But if you intend to change the period, you can do so by changing it under Rebalancing option. 1 day before the rebalancing date, you will receive an email notification mentioning the complete details about the rebalancing to be done. On the rebalancing date, a Rebalance button will be shown upon selecting the basket. You just need to click on the button and confirm the order to successfully execute it in the live market. Once executed, you can view the status under Tradebook. Happy investing with ModernAlgos.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.